Okay, the instruction of how to get to the worksheet. There's several ways to get to the worksheet. One of the easiest way is to go to our course canvas homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will see the list under tentative schedule. There's a link to the experiment this week, molar mass determination by freezing point depression. You can click here or here, either one of them will open up. Okay, another way to get to the worksheet is go to File under the Files, and you can go under the Lab Worksheet and Procedure, and again select the molar mass by freezing point. Okay, you upload that two ways. Okay, it will open up same thing, and you can print out your worksheet. Since we have a few new students this semester, let's go back and talk about how to get to Beyond Lab. So you open up the Beyond Lab, make sure it's under Labs, and they go to Chemistry and open. Click on that. It will show Welcome to the Virtual Chem Lab. Under the colligative properties, select that and scroll down until you see the molar mass determination by freezing point depression. It will open up the calorimeter lab. You can move things around in here. You can move the graph so you can be a lot more comfortable. Okay, you can arrange everything you want to. This is the thermometer, so you can see what is the temperature of the solution inside the calorimeter. The graph tells you that the temperature is graph of the temperature versus time, so we know what happened to the temperature. For example, right now the temperature of the calorimeter is 25 degrees Celsius. You can see that corresponding to the graph. A couple things. So this is called a coffee cup calorimeter. Okay. Stir, so make sure that it's stir and the stir is green. Okay. This is the temperature. Now the thermometer, and again you can see the readout is right here. Okay. Next thing is sodium chloride. Okay. Now if you want to see what is the actual mass of the sodium chloride in the balance, you can double click here. Okay. You can see that. Okay. You can write down, and then if you want to get out, can say zoom out. Okay. Now, the 45 beaker contains 45 grams of water. It's right here. Okay. Now, for example, if you want to pour it, you grab it, press it. Okay, and then it will. Okay. 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 When it shows something like this, it means it's ready to pour. Right. And then you can accelerate. This is accelerate, make it fast, go faster. You can see that it's changed really fast. Okay. Another thing that you need to do is lab notebook. This is lab notebook. Okay. And this is when you're done with everything, clean up lab bench. This is the lab clean up lab bench. This is for dispose all the sample. All right. Now to record or to find out what is your temperature, so you can go to the lab notebook, click on lab notebook, you open up the lab notebook, you can select, okay, to open up, select the file, okay, then you can scroll down and look at the temperature that you want. Okay. Next is and then you can turn it up, close it. Okay. And if you want to repeat experiment, you can clean up the lab first, click on the clean up lab bench, then go back to the stock room. See that? Click on stock room, click on the clipboard, is here, and then pick the freezing point depression of NaCl again, and it will bring you back to this page, and you can start the repeat experiment, as many times as you want. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.